What it do, YouTube? This your boy Richie Mo, back at it again with another video. Today we are stopping at High Rev Garage. Today I want to give you guys more of an update on what's going on with my baby right there, the 350Z. I know you guys haven't seen it. It's been 3 weeks, going on 4 weeks of not driving my car. So we're going to elaborate and tell you a little bit of what's going on and what took so long. So we already have the radiator on there, Mishimoto. And yeah, so let's get this day started. Working on another car right here, man. Whew-wee. Is that him right there, Yui? Okay. Oh, that's a new, oh, that's a rear diffuser?
Yeah, I did the front already, but I feel like she got the wrong one.
Oh, it doesn't fit?
I'm telling you, it's for different. I'm trying to see if I can make it work. I'm about to find out.
Hell yeah.
Because that looks clean like that.
Yep, it does. Let me see. Oh, yep. Yep. Damn, this shit's sick. Whose shit is this? This is a 350. Damn, it's nice. That's sick. Yui, man, make sure you guys go subscribe to High Rev Garage.
Where'd you go from Concord?
Yeah, I went to Concord, man. Did a video.
This. It's not done. It's gluing right now. Bolted on.
Oh, nice. Oh, shit. Okay. All right, no problem, no problem. Look at that. Wow. So that's what he's adding on today. This is a nice Lexus IS 350. And he's basically putting the carbon splitter right there. That comes with the car. And you got this right here, the side skirts. All carbon fiber, so the customer is got a nice ride. Check that out. Yeah, so he's gonna put that rear diffuser, and this car is definitely getting some nice carbon. Let me show you my car over here, man. Little junky, little dirty over here. We got I miss this car so much. I miss driving my baby. Oh man, look at my baby. But you know, we gotta work, we gotta make shit work. But look at my car. Happy we got the new radiator in. It's good. So I'm gonna explain a little bit more once I help him out over there. We're gonna explain a little bit more on what's going on with this car. And yeah. Bro finally got the G37 right here. His new whip, he got the BMW right there. All right. Yep. Just a little bit. There you go. Yep. Solid. Yep. Woo! You said what now?
Tell him to leave it on.
Leave it on. Turn your hood up. Pop the hood. I said, yeah. This shit clean, bro. Bro just stepped up, man. Last week he got this thing. Whew. Oh, he's lucky. He got to install these. He had to add these on because I need to get that on both of my cars. G37. If you see right here, in the case ports right there, you already have the case. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yep. Oh yeah, those coilovers. Oh yeah, it's coilovers because it's right here. That's the top. Yeah. That's the top. Yep. All right, so you got coil. So that means you can make it lower if you want. You just can lift it up or down. Oh, you got coilovers already, bro. You got coilovers. I ain't even seen that shit leak no more.
You don't leak no more?
No, because I tightened it.
This?
Yeah.
There you go. I told you, I think it looked like it was draining out. Because you know why? You see this?
Yeah.
That ain't OEM. That's a fucked up clamp. I don't know what clamp this shit is. That is not an OEM clamp.
New clamp.
So as long as you tighten it, because I said that, remember I said tighten it first before it's good. Brakes, rotors. Rotors and brakes here. Might as well buy the whole kit.
Do the whole shit.
Yeah, might as
Brakes
well.
and rotors. Drill slide rotors, bro. You want to stop? Drill slide rotors, brakes.
That's what I was gonna order, but I didn't know exactly which one. But
You can check your filter, but there's no point if you're gonna go intake, right?
Like I'm finna change it.
Open that up. Okay. Don't give me an idea what your engine is inside. Filter's always a good idea.
Right.
I hope you check.
You gotta slide it up. Oh, sometimes it'll be an extra clamp on the sides. Is it an extra one? That's how the
See, there's a K&N too.
I wonder if this is the filter that came. Oh, the filters that came in though. It's not that bad, but.
Hey, you got K&N in here, bro.
I don't want that shit.
Hell no, I don't want that shit.
He said it real quick.
Hell yeah, smart guy.
How was your oil?
Yeah, I just got it changed right before this month.
No leaks?
Nope. The only thing that be leaking is like when I be having the AC on the water.
Oh, well,
That's
yeah.
common.
Yeah.
That's the
So
water.
that's the only thing.
Honestly, the biggest thing I saw is your fucking rotors, bro.
Get that shit, especially if you moving it like you
Someone
moving.
didn't want to stop.
Like the way you be moving too, you definitely need those. That's why I had to do. I had to get. Yeah, suspension dope.
I think I was
Turn your wheel over there.
when I be driving and I be going over bumps and that shit be kind of bumpy with that my shock.
And it gets hard. It's because it's stiff.
Yeah, the stiffer.
Stiffer the ride, the suspension's for the corner. Less stiff, better for travel. So the bushings go like this. Comfort ride. You gotta have either want performance or you can't have both.
Okay.
Oh yeah, you got aftermarket up in here.
Yeah.
Orange. K-Sport.
Mm-hmm.
Tell by the color. Yeah, you gotta get suspension.
That's what I'm saying. You came up.
It's not cheap.
Yeah.
Look that up.
Yeah, that shit like 700-800.
Turn off your car real quick. Look at your belt. Someone change your belt before. That's good news.
So today I'm gonna have Yui explain to you what's going on, because I haven't made no videos in a minute to keep you guys updated exactly what's going on. Had to do a few things. The previous owner that had it before me didn't really take too much great care of the car, so it's like I have to do a lot of replacing, fixing, then the water damage with the sensors over there. So I'm gonna have him explain a little bit better than me. So let's just tell him what I was working on, and then like, well, the water got in there, damaged that first.
It damaged a ignition relay.
Okay.
Replaced the relays. We actually replaced more than one relay. So we said replace all the relays, fuel pump, ignition, every relay. Then your main problem was your cam position sensors went bad.
Right.
Replaced that. We even replaced the crank position sensor on the bottom just for the hell of it.
Right.
And then another problem happened where your map sensor somehow just went bad. Tested it. Replaced the MAF sensor. Put a new one. Car work turned on.
Right.
When he towed it here, he had a crack in his rear due to the flatbed.
Yep.
His car's low, so it happened.
Low life, yeah.
So we went and replaced it. Put a new Michimoto radiator.
Yes, sir.
Car runs. Doesn't overheat. As I was bleeding it, his bleeder valve broke because it was rusty.
Right.
Put a new one in.
Right.
And as we tried to turn the car wouldn't start again. And it came for the same reason, cam position sensor issue. Found out that through Chris built some help, has some Infinity and Nisman special techs they asked me, did you use genuine OEM sensors? What happened was the computer, after relearn, auto relearn, throttle body relearn, the computer could not work with the aftermarket sensor.
From
The
AutoZone.
sensors did
Yep.
not work with the ECU. So everything we did that fixed the power worked for a couple of days, then it stopped again.
Right.
And it's going back to the same issue. It won't start. It cranks, just won't start. Find out it's a cam position sensor again. So we went and said, you know what, let's do it done right. We went and ordered OEM genuine Nissan/Infiniti sensor. So now we're just waiting on that.
And we did made the intake shorter because at first it was all the way down here, and when I first got it slim with the original shocks, the max speed eBay coilovers, it fucked up the whole thing the first week.
Fucked up the air filter, somehow fucked up the map sensor, water got into the map sensor, so
Yep.
whatever happened down there,
So we
destroyed
converted.
the map sensor.
So we converted it, made it smaller, and I got a whole new filter. So yeah, so we basically.
So logic is, it was plain and simple. Sensors were bad.
Yep.
Don't use cheap aftermarket sensors.
Yep.
At the time, he needed to just get it running, so he went to AutoZone. But we learned something new.
Yep.
Newer Nissans need genuine OEM sensor.
That's
Plain and
true.
simple.
Plain and
We thought
simple.
it was a throttle body issue. Tested it, works. It's not. Sensors,
Sensors. Yep.
and hopefully it'll work. But
Yeah.
radiator is on. The bleeder's fixed. So 2 things are fixed. Now we just gotta get it to stay on and run.
Right. Right.
That's it.
And that's
Good to
it.
go.
And those will be here either this Friday, Saturday. It says it's going to be here Saturday, so I'm hoping that it comes Friday. So either one of them days is definitely going to be here, and then we go from there. So I just wanted to keep you guys updated. Make sure you guys go follow the big bro. Well, I'm older than you, right? Or wait, how old am I? Okay, well, follow the bro. Okay, yeah, so I don't have to say big bro. So follow the bro. Make sure you guys go to High Rev Garage. Make sure you guys go subscribe to the channel, as you guys see right here. Make sure you guys go follow that Instagram.
That's right.
But you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so I just have to give you guys a whole update of what's going on, what's taking so long. I haven't really made a good video because the previous times when I came here to record, I didn't record so good, and it was dark, and it was all this, and I want to make sure I came back at a better time where it's more settled down over here, and then kind of explain a little bit more to you guys what happened. So make sure you guys unchain your sensors. Do not go AutoZone or O'Reilly's. Just find the genuine OEM parts, because that's how Nissan designed these cars, man. You got to have the original parts, and if you don't, you'll be like me, and it's just not going to read, and it's not going to start. So that's where we at. So I just want to show you guys that, and yeah.